Hello, everyone. The submission of self-monitoring report and compliance monitoring report is a legal requirement under DNR administrative order and aligns with broader environmental laws. These reports, self-monitoring report and compliance monitoring report, ensure transparency, regulatory compliance, and environmental protection. The businesses, especially in high risk sectors like mining, must adhere to these reporting obligations to avoid penalties. So, when to submit the DNR report? When we are talking about submission of the self monitoring report, the submission of the self monitoring report for the first quarter, covering the monitoring period January to March, will be on April 15, on or before April 15. On the second quarter, submission shall be on or before July 15. For the third quarter, covering the period July to September, shall submit on or before October 15. And for the fourth quarter, for the reporting period October to December, January 15, on or before January 15. Second, the submission of the compliance monitoring report shall be done semi-annually. On the first semester, covering the monitoring period January to June, the proponent shall submit on or before July 15, and for the second semester, covering the monitoring period July to December, shall be on or before January 15. So these are the prescribed date of submission of the self-monitoring report and the compliance monitoring report. Again, the submission of the self-monitoring reports and compliance monitoring report to DNR Environmental Management Bureau, especially in our country, is mandated by several environmental laws and administrative orders. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have learned something about submission of the DNR report. Thank you very much and have a great day.